أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وواعدنا موسى 30 ليلة وأتممناها ب10 فتم ميقات ربه 40 ليلة. وقال موسى لأخيه هارون اخلفني في قومي وأصلح ولا تتبع سبيل المفسدين.
And we appointed to Moses 30 nights, and completed them with 10, and thus the time appointed by his Lord was 40 nights. And Moses said to his brother Aaron, Take my place among my people, and be upright, and do not follow the way of the mischief makers.
ولما جاء موسى لميقاتنا وكلمه ربه قال رب أرني أنظر إليك قال لن تراني ولكن انظر إلى الجبل فإن استقر مكانه فسوف تراني فلما تجلى ربه للجبل جعله دكا وخر موسى صعقا فلما أفاق قال سبحانك تبت إليك وأنا أول المؤمنين.
And when Moses came to our appointment, and his Lord spoke to him, he said, My Lord, allow me to look and see you. He said, You will not see me, but look at the mountain. If it stays in its place, you will see me. But when his Lord manifested himself to the mountain, he turned it into dust, and Moses fell down unconscious. Then, when he recovered, he said, Glory be to you, I repent to you, and I am the first of the believers.
قال يا موسى إني اصطفيتك على الناس برسالاتي وبكلامي فخذ ما آتيتك وكن من الشاكرين.
He said, O Moses, I have chosen you over all people for my messages and for my words, so take what I have given you, and be one of the thankful.